how to fix battery stop charging at 80%, 85, 90 or 95% on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on battery. In this screen, we go down again and tap on battery protection. Tap on the left hand side panel. From here, you may see it said maximum. So you can see here if your phone is stopped charging at 80%, 85, 90% or 95%, then what you can do is choose basics. By selecting basics, you allow your phone charge up to 100%. Or you can simply just turn off battery protection, allowing your phone to charge past 80%. Here you can see it charge up to 80% and then it stopped. So now, because we have changed the settings, it should be able to charge up to 100% now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.